like you've never known.
Hello, welcome back to Natural Music. Today we are going to be starting the song God on the Mountain. So let's jump right into the intro. So we're going to do this song as the artist did in the key of A. And so the first chord, we're actually going to start on the fourth chord is what I call it because it's the fourth note in the scale. For those of you that are in the numbers, and if you're not in the numbers, that'll be fine. So we're going to start on a D chord, even though it's in the key of A. And we're just going to, in the left hand, hit an octave. And that's what starts it. And then we do this kind of, I don't know if it's percussive or rhythmic thing up here, where we're going to play E minor down to a D. So we're on a D, but you're going to kind of go like this. So let's talk about how to play this E minor. I'm going to choose to do it like this. My thumb is going to play G at first, and then I'm going to hit the B and the E. So you hit the octave D, and then you go G, and then hit the B and the E. All right, so, and then you sustain this the whole time, and come down here and hit this D, which is going to be F sharp, A, and D. So, just real quick like. All right, now we're going to do the same thing with the A chord, which is the key that we're in. We're going to play just a full step of it, the full step up from the A, which is a B minor, is what we're going to play in that. And I'm going to play it like this. So we'll hit the octave A, and then we'll go like that, okay? So same idea, it's just we're going to hit octave A this time, and then we're going to play this B minor with a D in the thumb, an F sharp, and a B up here. We're going to hit the D first, and then the F sharp and the B. So, and then come down here and play this A, which is C sharp, E, and A. So, all right. So we've got D with the E minor to D, and then we got the A with the B minor to A. So, all right. Now it's going to go to a B minor chord while the right hand is going to play. And those are really guitar licks, but they sound pretty good on the piano. So this is how I approach it. If you don't have a guitar player, or as you heard on the demo, both can play it at the same time, and it sounds pretty nice. So we got to talk about how the rhythm is going to kind of take place in the left hand. So we're going to hit, since we're going to play a B minor there, we're going to go B octave, and then for the rest of the major, we're going to play a B minor 7, and we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and so that B minor I'm going to play is B, D, F sharp, and A. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like you're playing a bass note. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So here's what it sounds like without the right hand on that part. And then, all right. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm gonna hit an octave low E and just hold that. All right. And that's all you'll do for the left hand. And that's all you'll do for the intro. So in the right hand, while you're doing, what you're doing is B, D, E, F sharp. And then while we're holding that F sharp, we just kind of sneak our thumb under there and play A. So, and then go A, B, and then C sharp. So, and then up there to the E. So it's B, D, E, F sharp. Then put your thumb underneath there real quick while you're changing. And you just kind of release that and naturally go to a new position. So B, D, E, F sharp, A, B, C sharp, E. So this part's kind of quicker. Just play it kind of in that rhythm. All right. And then we're going to do this kind of, now the guitar kind of bends it, so we're going to kind of do a little bendy note. We're going to kind of play what they call a Floyd Kramer lick. So E and B, and then we're going to bend the B to the C sharp. So those two together. So, and then hit B and E together, and then bend it up to the C sharp. So, and then while holding that E, I'm going to hit B and then octave E. And I'm just gonna keep that E up there if you can. If not, you can go like that. I'm gonna keep that E sustained. And actually, I'm gonna hit that E again after, and then I'm gonna hit the E and the E and B again, and then hit that other E down there. So real slow. Like that. And that's all while you're doing this. So when you hit that first B, or after you hit that octave B, you're going to start that. And you can play that low one down here if you don't have a bass guitar. And so it's like, and then you start that B lick right there, the B minor lick, and then you play the rhythm. Oop, hopefully better than that. Okay, so that is it for the intro. Let me play it nice and slow, but that's all the notes and everything it takes to accomplish it. Not too hard, but it's a really nice sounding classic intro for God on the Mountain. So. Okay, and you can listen to the demo at the beginning, try to play along with that so it's up to speed. But that is it for the intro of God on the Mountain in the key of A in the 4/4 time. We will see you at the next lesson when we go over the verse and the rhythm and the chord structure of the song. Thank you so much for watching.